Wait, before starting the Keto Cleanse video, I introduce you with Ikaria Lean Belly Juice, which will help you to burn belly fat naturally in 7 days. For more details, click the link in the video description below.
And we're just gonna give you a vibe. We're gonna start out with some large tiger shrimp. We're gonna add some flour to our shrimp. We're gonna flour both sides, just so when we sear our shrimp, we get a nice crispy shear. If you ever watch one of my videos, whenever I shear something, I like to get a nice crispy sear. Hit that with some salt and pepper, Gordon Ramsay style, and then we're gonna sear those off in some extra virgin olive oil. Crazy Chef, big vibe. Like, share, subscribe. Hit that like button. If it's your first time here, do us a favor, hit that red subscribe button. Don't forget to like. It's very important that you like the video. So just hit that like button. Put my pot on, turn my stove on, heat my oil, and then we're gonna get ready for the vibe. Crazy Chef, big vibe. We're making creamy garlic Parmesan shrimp scampi. Easy recipe. All you need for this recipe is some butter, your shrimp, some tomatoes, some fresh basil, and some white wine. That's it. A little bit of counter flour. Easy. 1, 2, 3. Sear the shrimp, both sides. Add some shallots, add some garlic, and toss that over a little bit. Add some white wine, add some butter, let that reduce, get a little beurre blanc vibe going on, and then, you add your basil. You're gonna need to add a little lemon if you like. And that's it. You got a vibe. Crazy Chef, big vibe. Big vibe. Look at that. Look how beautiful those shrimp look. So, our shrimp are seared on both sides. What we gotta do now is we're gonna add our shallots and our garlic. And then we're just gonna saute that for a little bit. We're gonna saute our shallots and our garlic. But first we're gonna add our heirloom tomato. You can use diced tomato, you can use chopped tomato. I'm using whole cherry tomatoes just for the vibe. So we put our tomatoes in and we're gonna just let those cook for a little bit. Just like that. As I said, if it's your first time here, hit that like button. Check out the channel, check out the videos. If you want to be a part of the vibe, hit the subscribe button. Be a part of the vibe. We bring vibe. So, shallots, garlic, you want to saute your shallots and your garlic, and then you're going to add your white wine. You're going to let that reduce, and if you're fancy like me, you're going to just hit it with some flames and just, create a vibe. I just do it for YouTube, do it for the video, do it for the algorithm. You don't have to do that. That's what you call some extra vibe, But shrimp scampi, one of the best Italian dishes you can find. Like if you go to an Italian restaurant, most people get the shrimp scampi. If you go to a restaurant, you don't get the steak, you can't get the shrimp scampi. It's just that dish that gives that vibe. So, shrimp scampi, put the butter. Right now is where I kind of turn my flame off and just like mix it around and let my butter beurre blanc, just let it vibe, so to say. And then you're good to go. Crazy Chef, big vibe. Like, share, subscribe.
Ready to say goodbye to stubborn belly fat. Get Ikaria Lean Belly Juice Keto. Click the link in the video description below. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us on social media for more exciting audio content.